Hello guys, this is Kieran from Meepo Board. Today I wanted to show you the new model Meepo V4s, also called Shuffle S. Let's open the box. This board is an upgrade from the previous Meepo V4. Open the box. Let's see the board. This is the warming label. This is the board. New design, new grip tape. As you can see, the biggest change is the 105mm wheel. Combined with the lower deck with concave is a perfect match. Make your riding more stable and also not high above is lowered. I love this deck pretty much. You can see the concave here is very aggressive. It's hard to make a Meepo deck stiff and still with aggressive concave. Another thing I want to tell you guys is that check the comments. We have been making V2, V3, V4 for 5 years. A lot of customers complain about my motor PU wear out or chip pretty soon, pretty fast when I ride 30,000 kilometers. They just need to replace the PU pretty often, and for big part of riders, they just don't have a perfect asphalt road. They need to ride on uneven surface, broken concrete road. So they need a bigger wheel, a little all-terrain feeling. So in the end, I listened and made the change. So we decided to make the Meepo V4 with this kind of half all-terrain wheel as standard. Yes. So all the new V4 and we call it V4s. V4s the standard battery, and the V4s ear with the extended range double battery capacity will all be equipped with this big 155mm wheels. I think a big group of customers would like this change because it's really a very good upgrade and make this board perfect for your first board, perfect for your casual riding and for your weekend having fun, neighborhood, go to more places. Less vibration and less pain to your foot. To be honest, there is one downgrade in this board. As you may know, in the past 5 years, the hub motor we have been using on V4, the old version, there is a sacrifice here a little. This motor was the most powerful hub motor on planet, I guess. So when we changed to this new design motor to compatible to easy swap, we sacrificed like 5% of the torque power. So we changed the motor inside the design completely. So another thing bothers me a lot is that the old customers, we have like 80,000 around Meepo board users who have been using this very powerful old motor, and till now, this year, still we sold thousands of this V4, and yet we are releasing a new model. So I don't want them to feel screwed. So I come up with a solution. We call it V2, V3, V4 to V4s upgrade kit, upgrade to 105mm motor. With this kit, you can get like two front wheel, and two complete motors. The motors inside with the cable. So what you need to do is replace the complete whole motor and the truck, and then replace the front wheel. This will make your old boards new if you want. And we are offering them at a very good price, like less than 200, making it very, yeah, you need to spend like nearly 200 more, but that's the best we can do to how to make up, to how to make things right. So hope you would really give you a way out when you have recently buy the V4. Another thing is that when we releasing this V4s, we also upgrade a little on the Mini. So we also upgrade the motor of Mini. So when you buy the Mini 2s, so the both get upgraded at the same time. So when you buy the Mini 2s, you can notice the difference from the model. It's a new design here. You can see many chambers here. So you can also change this 90mm wheel to, this is the kit for Mini 2s. You can change it to 105 wheels. Is this. It's easy to change. You can check the video. Like this. A sleeve. Shoo. 5 screws, you are done. Okay. I guess some people still need, some people who will buy the Shuffle S, V4s, but still he would want to try the 90mm wheel to replace the 105mm wheel. So we have another kit for V4s. You change the wheel diameter from 105 to 90. So you get this out, and you unscrew here, and then shoot, you are done. So we have been really giving out complete solutions to all kind of demands. So you can basically freely change to whatever riding style you want. Let's get back to the topic about the V4s. I will later go out riding some footage for you guys. So I would recommend you go for a V4s ER version, because to be honest, when you upgrade to a bigger wheel, you will sacrifice like 5% of range, because the wheels are bigger and the torque will downgrade a little, but you get a better comfortable riding. Another thing you will get from this wheel is you can use it for more, how do you say, the pedestration and the vibration road become acceptable. You guys may have noticed that. Yes, that's the flow, and this is the voyage. On 30th May, I will give a live video stream doing a question and answer. Ask me anything and about the new models. We have a lot of new things to come out for you guys, for all the Meepo board users, for all the users in this community. It's very interesting, and I'm glad to answer all the questions. Just leave a comment below. So okay, let's see how it rides. See you guys soon. The extra grippy you can get from the gaps and the new design of this 105mm wheels is phenomenal. If it is without the new shape of the wheel, you will never get the grip on grass like this. So it really helps when you want to ride on grass. So that's a plus for this upgrade. I love it. I think for many people you need to try a little all-terrain. You need to try ride on places where it's not paved. places to have fun, I would highly recommend you go for the V4s ER version. Make sure to get the ER version because you need the extra battery, extra range to have fun, because the power consumption can be much higher when you ride on grass, on sandy road like this. So hope you like it. If you have any question about this board, we can leave a comment below.